dey
God.
happy now because now they carry me the wakana.
You
You
see?
understand? My sister, how far now your own now? How them be?
My sister.
How they cope fine?
Cope care. Now let Tracy who they try. Tracy who they try, my sister. I be say you they do and they see the changes for your body. You know, say our wife, Papa say, make them know they breathe, they call this side again. No, she's okay. Oh. To be. Only thing I want to do, now let Tracy hear from my mother yesterday. At least she still go give my mother small thing. You see this girl that they call Adesuwa. Oh my God. Adesuwa. Not be make the pot Adesuwa in Nigeria. Adesuwa just pay 8 years for Italy. 8 years for Italy. Not be make the pot go Nigeria. Where she the friend black boy? What I wanna say this black boy, leave him you know here. Black boy not get document. Adesuwa not get document. Adesuwa go work finish. You go buy drink. You go buy cigar. You go say life don't end. Then I the one more. You see my sister, the one she not here. They don't throw away and go put for Lagos Navy for Nigeria. As she called the suffer, now she call me my sister. She say my friend that Afa do. I beg now. You see here say Burkina Faso now because they enter so they see they make us small. I tell her say they make us small. Say yes. Now it's okay. What is it me I do for you, my sister? She say I beg make I your borrow a small thing. Now I say Jesus, borrow you wetin? 8 years for Europe, you don't get money for her account. She said she don't get 1 cent. Land where she give the money, they not buy. Now let land she don't see. Let me give same money they buy for 8 years. I say land you not get. My sister, what you call they pay me past now? Agreement when I fair give her that money. I know say the people will say 40,000 are small money for me. Not big money oh. Not big money oh. Okay. As she want go there, she said, well, as she want go there, she know what to know the place. She say, make I borrow 100,000 first. In case before you go come find this one, do this one, do this one. Before you go come find place, you know, you still need to own money. Now I take borrow this girl 100,000. I borrow, and I say I want carry you as girl go. Those girls when I even carry go, will be my girls. Tracy and this girl, Imaria Bay, they not misbehave. Oh. In Maria Bay and Tracy, they don't misbehave. Now this girl who done so, what be who done bad head. Now every time you say make I borrow money, my sister 100,000 not be joke. I say not be 40,000, 100,000 now it be. I know here from Adesuwa. Yesterday, this one my mother saying call Adesuwa. As in person pick up. If they ask them say I beg you want to talk to Adesuwa. The answer so be Adesuwa. Person will get for you now printing. Now my mother say I beg now one of my pikin sister friend. In there na Adesuwa. Now they tell us they don't be Adesuwa na print them. No, now say printing. I tell my mom say I don't know be print. The girl no Adesuwa. My sister not here from Adesuwa. I beg. I give her money. Those is what they do, my sister. You see this coronavirus. As I ever say, make them know they carry they come Europe again. They say one way block, another way open. As another way still open, me I see they get and clear small to survive my life. Now this girl say na lie, my money me no go see am. Now e body oh, now me with am, no go use am play with am. Okay. You know say they talk and say now who no person they keep person. You know you tell I said the many two girls they not fuck up. Now she want me know for Italy for 8 years when I tell no for Italy. What be best friend? What say I friend no and my friend. Now I tell give her money till now. My sister. At least I see they get my money. You see huh? At least they not fit send and give me for a year. The way they know until they survive now. At least they'll give the money to my mother. If anybody wants the money go Africa, they'll still give me the euro for a year. At least I still get something for us. Me they still do a staging of money. The person will give me euro for a year. They'll still give the dinero for us. You go see me better. Anything I want to go see me do. 100,000 not be joke for this kind of coronavirus. So and at the end I see they say lockdown go there again. You see, I say your guests, your guests they try.
Madam, carry your phone, oh. How do they call you? All this you call this.
I bet wait. Who be this one? Yeah, this one don't call. I bet my friend wait some more. Hello, this one. My mother say call yesterday. Somebody pick your call. You say nah, ain't pretty. You're not pretty. Who be pretty again? I beg, my sister. I don't know what I want to tell you. I don't know why we hear a new story. They say my money. Now you'll be the important thing. Before I go and to talk with you, your first talk me say you want to give my money first. Do you hear me so? Now I borrow you. Those girls when I carry, what did they pay times 3? They know I no hear from them. I no hear knows. You will be my friend. What tell me say, give me money, make I give you. I be will make I narrate you. Me I be come on social media. I be make you cry and come on social media. Make people they laugh you. After many years in Europe, 8 years. Why you afraid this boy? No, sir, I tell you, I want you about no, sir, you know here. Now your boyfriend blind, you blind. Tell me now, make your boyfriend do something now. You not get the comment. Boyfriend not get the comment. Work you not get. I don't want you there. You know 1 year. You listen as they share for you. They share for you. Pretty. Okay, if they want to ask of me, they say pretty. Hey, pretty care. Now this pretty for Italy. After 8 years for pretty. Now Burkina Faso, now go the pretty finish. And they share for you. Shame of you. Maybe my mouth I take swear for you. Now my nose I take swear for you. Pretty care. I beg. I don't want to hear anything. If not, your name will come out for YouTube now. I dey tell you. Now go. In fact, today, me no worry. I go post this video today. Make everybody hear you. Tomorrow I go post your picture. Make them know you finish. Make them know you 8 years in Europe. 1 euro you not bring.
Mama.
And that's why I beg. You know, I don't want to even talk to you, sir. I get better person when they give me better money. Thank you, my sister. Hello, my sister. Oh, sweet agent. My yori. That's why call me back here. I don't know if you call that your number, idiot. Momo friend. Yori, baby. Alpha. You do well. My mother tell me yesterday, say you bring out something. My sister, they're proud of you. God will bless you. Hey, thank you so much. You see, they say it's good to be good, though. I go feel swear for you now, no. I no go feel insult you. I no go feel. And I no go they call you mom. I better not call you mommy again. No word. My money they talk. Now I'm gonna call you mommy. My mommy. Oh, now money they speak. Thank you so much. You know, so we don't laugh. Finish now. You know, I can celebrate the many one again now. Where? Today I'm waiting on Wednesday. Okay, may I expect on Saturday? Hey, Saturday! My sweet baby! Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. What of you now? You hear from her? Okay, she did fine. Okay. I bet tell you the may still coming now. May you still coming now. They call me. If I dey hear you and your voice, you go dey sweet me. Oh, Adesuwa, I beg you. I beg you, my sister. If I tell you Adesuwa story, if I dey go die, they go break. I no fit gist you again. Now, borrow Adesuwa. If I tell you what Adesuwa they do nowadays, you no will believe. Adesuwa spent 8 years for Italy. Now, so if I do, they carry black boy and they will advise her, they talk to her, they tell her, say, this the way you they do it no good though, you know 1 year. She's my friend though, but money not get friend. I still give her a chance. Which can chance? Nobody Burkina Faso you know they make her. Which can coronavirus this Africa? I beg you, my pretty age thought to me forgot this was issue. Coronavirus not the Africa. Now let Europe here hungry for the wire house. Hungry really the wire house. Now they want lockdown again. And from September now, they want lockdown. If not, what you they give my mother for her, so until they survive for a year. As I survive. One of this one them make it they do something, so I play a day with them. They carry blabber from blabber to blabber. Now the one you can't carry last, I really want now more. My sister, listen to me. I want now. My friend go work, go suffer, finish, go stay money till night. You go do night, you go do money, all you want. You know what you go do? You go, if you just close for work, you just start for market. You go just buy go buy cigar, buy ban. You don't see the woman they smoke it ban like say na water they drink from mouth. I dey warn her, she not here. 8 years in Europe. After 8 years in Europe, they deport and go Africa. You know, we see money from Benin to Burkina Faso. So now my money wanted better. I beg my printing agent. Now you be my sister, you be my daughter, now you be my everything. You and in fact, and you be everything to me. You and Ijore. I really dey appreciate you now. I be forget anybody there, may still let me know, okay? If anybody there wey in this one, let me know. Nah, me assisting is not the survive, my sister. Sister wife baba say anybody know the country they give me at the fear. But I hear some people say the carry people they come up me I not future that one now. Go carry and come from up, come here finish. You go say if baba don't swear put, you know go give me my money. You see Africa now, no guru for his side. No guru now, you know. Oh, you want to go there? You want to tell police say na person carry you come Burkina Faso make you pay. Police go let bring you come out for television. It not concern me, concern you. Now you they go bring come out. For Europe now, if you go tell police now war, but now 10 years prison. After 10 years, they'll carry you go through for Alaba market. And they'll go through you. I beg you, thank you, my agent. God bless you. See me, I expect your call Saturday. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. No worry, girl, you go pay a rich now. See me stop. I really like person where they try. You really they try. Girl, you go rich now. I don't want to tell you now. Me not go they do shakara. I don't want to tell you now. No, what I mean, girl, you go rich now. Tell me not drop again. You know, tell me not drop again. Thank you. I bet me the fair place. So I get 2 people who want come. That was Saturday. So you know what you go do? No, you go do the money again for park. My master go come on Saturday. So just give her the money, make it give my mother. Who she now? Who she go come? Who she go come? No worry. Okay, no. Who she go give my mother? She not be like that. Okay, now thank you. Okay, now. They come here, my friend. I want to see those, my friend. What I want to call them? A big package. I see my friend package there. Those girls, they try you, really. They try for them, my friend. They try. This is what they make me, they talk. This is what they make. In fact, give her go wait and reach now. Give her go wait and reach. I'll call her back now. She say go call me back. I'll call her back. I go call her. I go call her now. Not in more I need my money from her. Cannot be my girl. Now I borrow her. You know, of course, spend 8 years in Europe, I consider borrow money from Benin to Burkina Faso again. Man, I take care. What's up? Don't leave you. How they do what's up? I they shape for you. Go buy phone. No worry. Go buy phone. You go manage the money. Go buy phone, okay? You go manage the money. Okay, now take care. Try me to call your family for us. So who they work the shop? Okay, now go back. Ciao. Now what for those guys? Oh my God! I'm not gonna kill me with headache. Who say make you give me headache? And I ain't go carry headache. When I was son. I ain't go carry headache. I don't know whether agent go see pick you. Oh, agent be try yesterday. Oh, I don't know whether agent go see pick you. Well, tomorrow I go call agent. Tomorrow. Headache. Don't they feel headache? Because of all that, this was issue after many years in Europe. I don't know why somebody they think their thickness, no they go back, no they go front. After many years in Europe. Easy. I beg you, me I continue my drama when I dey watch.